Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, firm intent of Impala Platinum is to prosper on current prices, and exciting DRDGOLD projects advancing well as 2028 vision gets big gold price boost. The firm intention of South Africa's Impala Platinum is to prosper on current platinum group metals prices.
Last year, in spite of what we may think, it's probably been one of the more stable periods that we have operated in. And I'm very happy to say that we have leveraged that. And our intention as a company is to create continual strength in the organization called Implants. So we have an assured but cautious outlook on PGM prices going forward. We see at the moment marginal deficits in all three of the major metals, in particular platinum. We see that changing for palladium and rhodium from 2028. Those two metals running into surpluses, creating increased liquidity. But platinum we foresee, granted on the basis of a material increase fueled by the hydrogen economy as well as fuel cell electric vehicles. But we see continued demand for platinum to the extent that we see sustained deficits and therefore continued eradication of excess surface inventory.
DRDGOLD's projects underway are advancing very well as the Gold from Tailings Company's 2028 vision gets a massive boost from the sky-high gold price.
We're working hard to optimize our existing asset base. The initial life of mine plan for Ergo, the one that underscored its initial capital reinvestment when we acquired it 2007, started recapitalizing 2008. That mine plan had expired. All of the assets that we were going to mine, all of the resources that we were going to mine under that mine plan have all been mined out. So basically what we're doing now is developing, call it an Ergo 2. And we're in that interim phase where we're mining at a particular throughput rate in order to fund the capital expansions that are required to give Ergo that additional 13-year life of mine. And it could in fact be a little bit more than that. The first part of that obviously was the solar plant, which we managed to commission during the latter half of last year and which is up and running. And the second part of that is going to be the expansion of the Brakpan tailings storage facility to recommission the Withok tailings facility in order to restore the throughput rate back to approximately 1.8 million tons per month. That is a target for financial year 2028. And then access a whole new range of resources that will be developed and accessed over the next few years in order to get us to that point. At the same time, Far West Gold operations, we spoke about phase 2 for the Far West Gold operations right from inception, right from the moment when we purchased it. The first phase involved the repurposing and the recommissioning of the Driefontein 2 plant to a throughput capacity of 600,000 tons per month. We've been running it consistently at 500,000 tons per month. But right from the outset, work started on the design of the RTSF, the Regional Tailings Storage Facility. Work on that started in June of last year. We've moved just north of 2 million cubes of material to level the area. It's an 800 hectare site to start work on the starter walls, construction on the return water dams. And the second component of that project is the doubling in size of the Driefontein 2 plant to take it from 600,000 tons per month to 1.2 million tons. And our Vision 28, which is the goal that we'd set for ourselves towards this optimization and throughput and output growth, then involves establishing the capital infrastructure to support 3 million ton a month throughput, up by about 1 million tons from where we currently are per month, and then increasing gold output by also approximately 1 ton per annum, 40,000 ounces or thereabouts, to take us north of 200,000 ounces, and then to sustain that for a very long period of time. So those are the immediate growth prospects, and they're really optimization. It's growth of life of mine, not closing Ergo, but extending its life of mine and mining a much larger percentage of its resource base, and then also optimizing Far West Gold so that we can bring a better blend into that plant and also extending its life of mine.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.